Welcome to Right Side Trading, where you can learn how to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is February 15, 2016, and we will be talking about the weekly market review. But before we do that, let's go and do some legal stuff real quick. Okay, so here's our disclaimer. Please take the time to read our disclaimer. All right. The most important part that I want to highlight in this disclaimer is that our products and services are provided solely for educational purposes. Written and verbal statements, including those provided on our websites by staff members, testimonial individuals, affiliates, and clients, are personal judgments and should be regarded as such. Thus, this video as well should be only regarded as such. These written and verbal statements do not constitute investment advice, so please make sure that you seek the advice of a competent financial advisor before making any trading decisions. We are not financial advisors, nor can we give you guys any competent information about the financial market, so make sure that you please consult a financial advisor before making any decision. All right, so that being said, basically what I wanted to do is kind of go over the market for this week and what we are seeing. I'll make this real quick because not too much that needs to be talked about, except for we have this double bottom that we're looking at right here, and we have a reversal signal. Okay, so this is a reversal signal right here after a double bottom was being made. We wanted to see the market close below this line right here, so that would tell us that the let me take this off. So that this bear flag that we were looking at last week that worked perfectly will continue going down. But once it closed right back above this low from over here, then that kind of like gave us concerns. And then Friday was not a was a signal that basically told us that the market was looking to reverse. So we have a number of, lack of a better word, witnesses that are telling us the market is trying to go bullish again for now. All right. So that being said, we have to trade accordingly. So if you're shorts, we're looking to exit our shorts. We're looking to go long on some positions. The question is, how long is it going to go high? How long would it go up for? That we do not know. But we do know that some areas of potential resistance are areas like this one right here. Okay, this could be another area of potential resistance, as well as this. The market needs to clear all that before we can even go higher. So these are some areas that we're going to see some contentions. Now, that being said, if we also extend this to the right, all right, so we are looking at either the market coming over here by like Thursday or Friday and bouncing back down. That will make also a double top. Maybe the market might be bouncing and all that kind of stuff. So we have to be looking at the potential of that. The market doesn't reverse back here, which it doesn't seem like it's going to do because the futures market is already up above that. Then we can look at this area as the next potential reversal area. In addition to that, we have this line right here. We have this line right here, okay, where maybe the market might come up here, or maybe it might bounce over here by Thursday or Friday. So either one, maybe up here by Thursday, Friday, or down here by Thursday, or up here or up here by Thursday, Friday. We can see the market start reversing. If we do see any kind of reversal signal, that'll be your clue that it's ready to go back down again. Okay. Now, one other thing that we have to pay attention to is this downtrend right here. Okay. And let me change the color of this to blue. And I'm picking this up a little bit so you guys can see that very well. Okay. So we have this blue line right here. And if I was to duplicate this blue line and bring this down here, this could be a potential for a drop, okay, with the market in a descending channel, okay? But we still have to see. Right now, it seems like the market is going to break above that. I will watch and see whether there's a breakout, fake out, okay? We need to see some consecutive movements above that to make sure that it's not a breakout, fake out. If it comes back into this channel, then we are looking for prices to go lower. That being said as well, if we should break below this low right here, we can expect the market to move even much lower, okay? extend this to the right, and extend this to the right. Okay, so we can see the market probably come all the way back down up here again. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see where it is down here and see if there's any level of support going back into the past. Okay, now that being said, let me do this as well because I want to change. Let's check that and make that red. That. Okay. So you can see this blue line and this red line is forming a triangle. Okay. So we go like that and we go like that. So that is forming a triangle. Okay. So again, it could break up to the top side or it could break down to the bottom. We have to wait and see. Right now it's looking like it's trying to break to the top side. Okay. So if this is truly a triangle, let me remove this, see if I can cancel that. If you can see this triangle right here, okay, and the market is breaking out above that, that could be a potential for a breakout. But we have a lot of clusters of resistance right here. So we have to be very, very careful. If the market breaks above that and keeps on going higher, then we can see it probably testing the highs up here. But the biggest challenge would be to see what it does around here, okay? Because there's a lot of resistance in this area right here. So that's pretty much it. We'll wait to see what happens. If the market, again, like I said, breaks below here, we can see it go even further down. Let me duplicate this, bring this chart back again down here, okay? So if it breaks below here, we can see it go back down, and this downtrending channel will be what is the predominant pattern. If not, if it breaks above this, it could be a rectangle, a triangle that is breaking out to the upside, but it has a lot to deal with over here before the bulls can really say they are free to go even higher. Let me do one last thing right here, which is this. Oops. Okay, so these are all the potential areas of resistance. So we'll have to see what happens. Again, the biggest cluster of resistance is up here. So we'll see what happens right there. But until then, the market is showing that it is trying to go bullish. Question is, how long will it go bullish for? And if a reversal is going to take place. A lot of people are asking, are we in the bottom? I don't think we are necessarily at the bottom. I shouldn't say think. I don't see a bottom yet. Okay, I don't see a bottom yet. All I see is the fact that we could be in a relief rally, and that relief rally, we go back to 2008. Let me show you this real quick. Go 15 years daily chart. We go back to 2008 when this market started doing what it did right there. You can see. All right, so this is the end of January right here, 2008. Oops. You can see that the market, did one of these numbers. Let me make sure I'm in the right place. Nope, no, thanks. Go to 2008, 2007. There you go, 2008. Okay. We can see that the market did one of those where it tried to make a double top and come back down. This is kind of like literally what we're looking at right now. And then it came back further down again. And then even still, we had a bunch of rallies and up, rallies and up, rallies and up for quite some time. And then the market dropped back down viciously after that. Okay. So we see the market dropping viciously after that. I mean, from there to there, that was a big drop. Let's see here. That was about a 16% drop there. Then the market kind of like has a relief rally for a while, kind of making people feel like everything is good right before it takes its next plunge again. Okay, and in this case, it was about 35, almost 36%. Okay, and then it has a relief rally again, and then starts doing that. So the bottom, we don't see it being set just yet. Okay. Could we get relief rally? Absolutely, we can get a relief rally. There's nothing that says you cannot get relief rallies in a bear market. So we'll look at that, see what happens. Again, we see a lot of things that are saying that the market is ready to go up. So we'll just trade accordingly. Again, like always, remember to trade on the right side with confidence.